magandang hapon. Judd here. Graduate ako ng PhDad. And for today, I would like lang to give my experience. How did PhDad help me? Basically, masasabi ko lang talaga is hindi ako natulungan ng PhDad magka-trabaho. Kasi natulungan ako ng PhDad magka-negosyo. Hindi niya ako tinuruan paano maging empleyado kundi bilang negosyante. So hindi ako naghanap ng trabaho, ang nanap ko kliyente. Yun yung unang-una ko natutunan sa PhDad. Pangalawa, hindi lang siya or on work as an 8 to 5 or 9 to 5 type of employee. You're the one who will choose your time. Yun yung isang important din sa akin, yung work-life balance. Isa pang hindi tinuro sa akin ng PhDad is hindi niya ako tinuruan ng isang skill para ibenta ko sa market. Kasi based on the course itself, multiple skill yung minaster namin before we graduate. We're not just looking lang for one time, big time na kliyente, then we'll stop with that. Even up to now, I'm not yet an expert because I'm still a student, because that's another lesson that I've learned with PhDad. Continuous learning, and you need to upgrade yourself as the market upgrade itself. The more skills that you can offer, the more help that you can provide to your client, the more value you can provide to their business. So it's gonna be easier for us, or for me, in my experience, it's easier for me to get a client anytime I need additional client. So ayun, those are the few things that I've learned with PhDad. So kung nasan ka man ngayon sa program or hindi ka pa nag-enroll at nag-iisip-isip ka pa, I do suggest na go try it na. Sumalakad yung oras, you're wasting time, and in freelancing, time is of the essence. Baka next time na mag-enroll ka na, ang dami na lalong lessons na dumagdag sa'yo.